Then they ask your referees, like your professors, which names you give into the CV. They ask them or they mail them to ask about you, how you are, and what is your abilities and those things. So referee is also very important. So that's what you are doing for the higher studies. So those things, everything will be highlighted. So these are the things you need to be very careful when you are doing an evaluation or masters. So these professors' names need to be given here, like email ID, phone number, and also their name and contact details. Apart from these personal CV and proposal and also the covering letter, and also also need to write the email. So these are things need to be attached to the email, and email and letter also need to be like in email letter also you need to write like here every professor used to get 50 to 100 minutes every day for the PhD or master's application. So they cannot give that much attention to the mail. So the what things you mentioned in the description on the like why you are writing the mail and what you are writing in the mail, like why you are interested, those things you need to write. And also one thing I can say that in the mail letter you can add that I am very much interested in your research, so I have gone through with your these papers. You can copy from their website, paper names and everything you can highlight into the letterhead in the your email. And I have gone through this paper makes me interested to work with you or in your group. And these are the things you need to highlight. Then they will go through like they think that, oh okay, those people, this guy he already gone through my papers and maybe he is interested. Let's see his CV. So they go to your CV. Once they see the CV, then they will ask for the interview or anything whatever later. So these are the things you need to keep in mind for your if you are planning for the abroad. This is the one set of preparation for yourself, and then the other set of preparation is IELTS, TOEFL, and GRE. If you want to go for masters and PhD for US, Australia, Singapore, some of the European countries, you need IELTS, TOEFL. For European countries, not only GRE, but if you are going to US, Singapore, and Australia, you need the GRE or TOEFL or IELTS. So these are the websites I have mentioned here. So most people also know already. So these things you need to prepare before coming here, because when you are going to admit or taking the admission, they ask for these certificates. So in Taiwan, when I was coming, there was IELTS or TOEFL was not necessary, but nowadays it is mandatory to have the IELTS TOEFL. The score is lesser. It is, I think, you need to have the English proficiency score more than 6 in IELTS. But if you are going to UK or US or Australia, the cutoff IELTS score is 7.5, sometimes depending on the universities, and also 6.5 in some universities. So these are the things also you need to check. If you are targeting to the US or Singapore, every department used to have different cutoffs for IELTS, GRE. So you need to go through those details also. So you need to prepare. So that's why it is very necessary that you need to prepare well and give for these exams. So just, oh, IELTS, I'm good in English, I'm in Bangalore, I'm good in English, I'm good in English, so I can go and give IELTS. No, it's not that easy. So preparation is also important, so just prepare and go for the IELTS and give exam for one time. So these are the things important, and just these are general websites, and this is just I mentioned here is the Taiwan Master PhD program. The scholarship website, most of the scholarship will be highlighted or advertised here in this website, MOE, the Ministry of Education of Government of Taiwan. So you can go through this and check what all universities are. There are different university ranking websites, like they give for the rankings for the universities, world ranking universities. So you can go and select the website from there also. So anything is okay. And also you need to, whenever you go to the university, you also need to go through the websites which are more trustable and which they give for the world rankings. It is better to choose the more than